Former preschool teacher in Beaufort County has either been investigated for or charged with child sex crimes in 3 states. The Lowcountry school where Brandon Baker worked says they did all the proper background checks, but new state reports obtained by WSAV's Danielle Cobb may say otherwise.
Baker was taken into custody from Sea Island Sprouts Preschool, where we learned he worked with young children. The school says they conducted all proper background checks upon hiring, but state reports obtained by WSAV may tell a different story.
I don't know whether he was required to be fingerprinted, but that to me is the gold standard, because that will get you a record if there's a history out there.
After Baker's arrest in Beaufort County, another case, this time in federal court, was filed. He is now facing federal sexual exploitation of a child charges in Iowa. According to court documents, Baker possessed several nude images of a young boy in handcuffs, which were taken in November of 2013. But it didn't stop with the picture. Investigators say the victim confirmed in an interview that he and Baker had a regular sexual relationship. Baker was also named in a child pornography investigation out of Colorado, where authorities state he was serving as a preschool teacher. He was released after questioning, and the investigation is said to still be open as of 2024. While the Port Royal Preschool told WSAV that they conducted all proper checks when they hired him, Department of Social Services inspection reports from September show the school had not completed FBI or SLED background checks on 3 employees. They also had 1 employee who had not received sex offender registry checks. DSS did say the background checks were resolved in October, and we don't know how long Baker was at the school or when he was hired. But attorney Jared Newman says registry checks should flag open investigations and prior arrests in the system.
If DSS does an investigation, they can find probable cause that abuse or neglect happened, even though the law enforcement might not have enough evidence to go forward. Then your name is put in the registry, and there is a mechanism under due process. You can have a hearing as to that, and the government has to prove that you need to be in the registry.
Now I asked the school if the owner or administrator wanted to speak with WSAV about the DSS reports from last year. They told me they would not participate in interviews, nor would they be discussing any past reports or internal processes. The school did confirm that they are still open and operating. Danielle Cobb, WSAV News 3, on your side.